11th generation sedan's revised front and tail may be seen in the first official teasers for the 2023 Honda Accord. Additionally, the company displays the brand new infotainment screen. Honda claims it is the largest model the company has ever offered, at 12.3 inches. Honda makes some big claims about the new Accord. In its teaser announcement, the automaker says the model brings excitement back to the midsize sedan segment. In November, the full release will take place.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.